You use the internet every single day for studying, for work, for entertainment, and for money. It is the invisible backbone of modern life. It connects us across continents in milliseconds. It holds the sum of human knowledge. But here's the strange part. Most people have no idea how it actually works. They think of it as magic. Today, let's strip away the magic and look at the machine. Understanding this machine isn't just about curiosity. It affects your privacy, your career opportunities, your income, and even how the world is controlled. Ignorance is a vulnerability. So by the end of this video, you won't just know how the internet works. You'll know why it matters to your life. Let's start with the biggest misconception of all. The internet is not a cloud floating in the sky. It is not an abstract concept. It is physical. It is heavy. It is real. The internet is simply a massive global network of computers. Millions of them, all connected using physical cables, routers, and servers. A web of copper and glass wrapping the planet. In fact, 99% of all international data travels through underground fiber optic cables. These aren't thick pipes. They are garden hose thin, running across the bottom of the deepest oceans. If one of these cables is cut by a ship's anchor or an earthquake, entire countries can go offline. That is how fragile and how physical our connection really is. Now, let's track a single piece of data. Imagine you type a website name into your browser and hit enter. At that moment, your device sends a request. That request travels at near the speed of light. First through your home router, then out to your internet service provider, joining a superhighway of information. It bounces through multiple routers. These are the traffic controllers of the internet, deciding the fastest path in real time, avoiding congestion and broken lines, until finally, it reaches a server somewhere in the world. Maybe in Virginia, maybe in Frankfurt, maybe in Singapore. That server processes your request. It sends the data back. Your device receives it, and your browser displays the page. All of this happens in milliseconds, faster than you can blink. But here's the complication. Computers don't understand website names like Google.com. They don't speak human. They only understand numbers. Every device on the internet has a unique address called an IP address. It's a string of numbers that acts like GPS coordinates for data. So when you type a name, a system called DNS steps in. Think of DNS as the internet's phone book. It instantly translates the human name into the machine number. Without DNS, the internet would be a chaotic mess of unreadable numbers. It would be almost impossible for a human to use. Ever noticed how some websites load faster than others? That isn't random. It depends on physics, specifically distance. Data takes time to travel. That's why tech giants build massive data centers all around the world. They are trying to beat the speed of light by moving the content closer to you. Now, here's the bigger picture. The internet controls communication, business, education, and power. It is the nervous system of our civilization. Countries fight over internet infrastructure. They battle over who controls the cables, who owns the satellites, and who writes the code. Companies compete for data. Your clicks, your likes, your location, your personal information has become the most valuable commodity on Earth. More valuable than oil. Understanding how the internet works helps you protect yourself. It helps you understand why encryption matters, why net neutrality is debated, and how to stay safe. It also prepares you for the future. Careers in technology, business, and artificial intelligence all require you to understand this underlying fabric of our reality. So the next time you open a website, remember this: you're not just browsing, you're interacting with the most complex machine humanity has ever built. And this system shapes the future more than almost anything else. It is our tool. We need to know how to use it before it uses us. If you enjoyed this deep dive, subscribe for more videos on how things work and why they matter. Stay curious.